Everyone talks about Portugal in the summer, but here is the secret. Fall is when the country truly becomes magical. Cooler days, fewer crowds, and towns that slow to their natural rhythm. Portugal in the fall is not just a destination. It is an experience, and it is about more than just Lisbon. We are going to explore 5 unforgettable cities that shine in the fall. You will see tiled hillsides, terrace vineyards, Atlantic sunsets, and fado drifting through old streets. This is Portugal at its most authentic. Stay with us. This could change how you travel. Fall in Portugal begins in mid-September and stretches into early November. The weather is mild, grape harvests fill the valleys, and prices begin to soften. Each region offers something different. If you love food, wine, architecture, history, beaches, or nature, fall is the perfect time to do it all. The tour buses are gone, and local life is ready to welcome you. Let us begin in Lisbon, the city of 7 hills. Lisbon in the fall is golden and gentle. The light is softer, and the breezes from the Tagus feel clean and cool. Start in Alfama, where steep lanes pass tile facades, and the smell of grilled fish hangs in the air. Climb to Sao Jorge Castle for a wide view of red roofs and the river. Wander through Baixa and Chiado, then ride a yellow tram as it rattles up a hill that seems impossibly steep. Try bacalhau baked with cream and potato, grilled sardines when in season, and buy fanas from a tiny counter where the bread is warm and the mustard has a kick. End with a pastel de nata and a sprinkle of cinnamon. By late October, film and arts events fill the calendar, and the city feels creative and alive without the summer rush. Now head north along the coast to Porto. Porto sits where the Douro River meets the Atlantic. In the fall, mornings are crisp and evenings arrive early and cozy. Cross the Dom Luisi Bridge to Vila Nova de Gaia, step into a historic lodge, and taste port and candlelit cellars. Back in Ribeira, the waterfront is calmer, and you can hear the river tap softly against a stone. Walk the narrow streets around Clerigo's Tower, then visit Livraria Lello, a bookshop that looks like it belongs in a dream. Order a francesinha if you are hungry, a layered sandwich in a rich sauce that arrives at the table steaming and bold. By night, Porto glows. It is a city that rewards slow wandering and long conversations. If you are enjoying hearing about Portugal so far, please give us a like and subscribe to join our destination travel community. Sintra, in the fall, feels like a storybook set on a mountainside. The air is fresh and cool, and mist often curls through the trees. Start at Pena Palace, where colors pop against a moody sky. Walk the forest paths of the Park of Pena, then explore the mysterious wells of Quinta da Regaleira. Down in the town center, tile-fronted houses and pastry shops invite a slow afternoon. Try travesseiros and queadas with a coffee. Then ride up to the Moorish Castle for wide views that reach the Atlantic. As daylight fades, Sintra settles into a calm that makes it even more magical. Our next city is Coimbra, the historic heart of learning in Portugal. Coimbra sits on the Mondego River and moves at a thoughtful pace. The University of Coimbra crowns the hill, and in fall, its courtyards feel timeless. Visit the Joanina Library, a Baroque jewel lined with dark wood and gilded detail. Step into the old cathedral, then drift down to the riverfront where students strum guitars and the water mirrors the soft light. Order chanfana if you like slow-cooked comfort, or keep it simple with roasted chestnuts from a street cart. Coimbra is gentle and reflective. It invites you to slow down and listen. Next, we travel to the city of Braga, a northern beauty with deep roots and bright energy. Braga blends ancient and modern with surprising ease. Begin at Bom Jesus do Monte, climbing the grand staircase or riding the water-powered funicular to a terrace where the city lies at your feet. Back in the center, Baroque churches and lively squares sit side by side with cozy cafes and shops. In fall, gardens stay green while evenings turn cool and clear. Try local sweets like tibias and a hearty bowl of caldo verde. Take a short trip to nearby Guimaraes if you have time, where a medieval castle and stone lanes trace the beginning of the nation. Braga is elegant and welcoming, and it shines when the heat has eased. Now that you know where to go, here is how to make the most of it. In Portugal, hostels range from $25 to $50 per night. Boutique hotels usually fall between $80 and $140. For luxury, plan on $180 or more. Food is affordable and excellent. Breakfast at a cafe, lunch at a tasca, and dinner at a neighborhood restaurant can come to $25 to $40 per day. Look for prato do dia. At lunch, daily special that is fresh and fair. It is a great deal. Trains connect major cities, and buses reach smaller towns. Sintra and Coimbra are easy by rail, and Braga links well through Porto. In cities, use metro and tram systems, or simply walk. Lisbon and Porto are made for wandering. Pack light and bring layers. The north can be cool and rainy, while the south stays warm into November. A waterproof jacket, a light sweater, and comfortable shoes will cover most days. The Atlantic wind can surprise you at sunset, so keep a scarf in your bag. Shops may pause in the afternoon in smaller towns. Embrace it. Slow down. Enjoy a long lunch. That is part of traveling in Portugal. English is widely understood in tourist areas, but a few words in Portuguese are always appreciated. A simple bom dia, obrigado, or por favor, opens doors. If you want hidden gems, ride a boat through the canals of Aveiro, wander the book-filled streets of Obidos, or watch the sea crash under the cliffside pools of Azenhas do Mar. For nature, explore Pena Palace National Park, where stone villages and clear rivers feel far from modern life. Portugal in the fall does not need to prove anything. It simply invites you to enjoy life. Long meals, quiet mornings, golden vines, and time to notice small, beautiful details. If you have ever dreamed of visiting Portugal, fall is the time to do it. The crowds are gone, the heat has passed, and the country is ready to show you its real self. If this helped you see Portugal differently, give it a like. Subscribe to Destination Travel for more slow travel stories and seasonal guides from around the world. And if you liked this video, we know that you will love the recommended videos here.